Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about how to find the X matrix and Y matrix. Today discuss about very important topic is transpose of matrix. Transpose means nothing but a transport. So any scooters or any things are one place to another place change, that is called transport. Like here also we will discuss about transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix nothing but a interchanging rows and columns. It is called transpose of matrix. What is the definition? Transpose of matrix is nothing but interchanging rows and columns. It is called transpose of matrix. Definition is the matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns, it is called transpose of given matrix. It is denoted by A power of t. A power of t is nothing but transpose of the A matrix, or A power of dash. So both are same thing only. A power of t or A power of dash is nothing but transpose of the given matrix. What is the definition of the transpose of matrix? Means the matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. It is called transpose of the given matrix. The transpose of the matrix denoted by A power of t or A power of dash. Here example, if capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, to calculate A transpose. A transpose is nothing but interchanging rows and column. Replace with the row and column. First row replace with the first column. First row replace with the first column. Second row replace with the second column. Is nothing but a transpose of the matrix. So listen carefully. What are the definition of the transpose of the matrix? The matrix obtained by interchanging, means replace, interchanging rows and columns. Is first row replace with first column, second row replace with the second column, or else first column replace with the first row, second column replace with the second. Interchanging rows and columns, it is called a transpose of the matrix. Listen, see the question. What is given A matrix? 1, 2, 3, 5. To calculate A transpose is here. First row replace with the first column. Interchanging. First row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column. Now rows and columns are interchanging. Here first is 1, 2. But here transpose of the matrix, what is the first column? 1, 2. Because of rows and columns interchanging, it is called a transpose of the given matrix. One more example. Capital B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To calculate transpose of the B matrix. Here first row interchanging, 5 means replace with first column. First row replace with first column. Second row replace with the second column. Third row replace with the third column. So finally we get the interchanging the rows and columns. Here first row interchanging first column. Second row interchanging second column. Third row interchanging third column. Or else first column interchanging first row. Here first column interchanging first row. Second column interchanging second column. Okay, second column interchanging second row. That is the only interchanging rows and columns. It is called a transpose of the matrix. Now properties of, everyone understood the definition and example. Next, properties of transpose of matrix. Next one is properties of transpose of matrix. That first condition is A transpose whole transpose is equal to A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. For example, suppose you are taking A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. First to calculate A transpose. A transpose is nothing but interchanging rows and columns. So first interchanging first column, second column interchanging second interchanging second column. What they are given second? A transpose old transpose. Again we are doing A transpose old transpose. So again first row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column. See the question 1 2 3 5 is nothing but A. That's why A transpose old transpose is equal to A. So first property is second property. Second one is A plus B old transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and A minus B old transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Whenever taking transpose of the A plus B is equal to transpose of A matrix plus transpose of the B matrix. Whenever taking these two properties are definitely satisfied. LHS is equal to RHS. Both the matrix masses should be equal. So one more condition is A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Nothing but both the matrices are masses should be equal. Next one is third one. KA whole transpose is nothing but K into A transpose, where K is a scalar or any constant. K is a any constant value or scalar. Suppose K is a constant. Suppose you are taking first they give A is equal to 1 2 3 5 to calculate 2A whole transpose. Condition is what? 2 into A transpose is equal to 2 into A transpose. A transpose is what? Interchanging rows and columns. First interchanging first column, second interchanging second column. After that product with 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. This is the properties of the transpose of the matrix. First condition is A transpose whole transpose. What is the given matrix? You have to do the 2 times of the transpose of the matrix. Next is A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Third one is K A whole transpose is equal to K into A transpose. Fourth one is product. AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Product of the two matrices means AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Whenever you are doing product of the two matrices, after to calculate the transpose of the two product matrices and product of the two transpose of the matrix, definitely both are masses should be equal here. That's why this is properties AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Everyone understood? It is clear. Now we are going to problems. Very easy. Don't confusion. Transpose is nothing but a transport interchanging rows and columns. It is nothing but transpose of the matrix. See the first question. Very easy. If capital A is equal to 3 5 2 1, find A transpose. Find A transpose, or else find the transpose of the matrix. Right? Solution given or let A is equal to 3 5 2 1. What they are asking? To calculate A transpose of the given matrix. To calculate transpose of the given matrix. Transpose of the matrix nothing but interchanging rows and columns. So first row interchanging first column is replace. First row replace with first column, second row replace with the second column. 2 1. Everyone understood? The given matrix A is equal to 3 5 2 1. To calculate A transpose means interchanging rows and column. First row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column. Or else first column is a 3 2 interchanging first row. So 3 2 is the first row. Second column 5 1 interchanging second row. So 5 1 is the second row. Next second question. If capital A is equal to capital A is equal to 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Find A transpose. Find theta. What is the given condition? If A is equal to 5 1 by 2 minus 1, find A complement or A transposition. Let A is equal to 5 1 by 2 minus 1. What they are asking? To calculate A transpose. To calculate A transpose. So now this is, we can take first column interchange first column, second row interchange second column, third row interchange second column, or else first column interchanging first row. Now here this is the first column, first row interchanging first column, like that. 5. Second row is the 1 by 2, second row interchanging second column is the 1 by 2. Third row is the minus, third row interchanging third column value is minus 1. See the question? Or else first row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column, third row interchanging third column, or else it is the first column interchanging first row. There is the first column interchanging the first row. Here this is what is the order of the matrix. How many rows is there? 3 rows, only one column. After transpose of the matrix, how many rows is there? Only 1 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. See the both are observing the order of the matrix. Here order of the matrix is 3 rows 1 column, but here 1 rows 3 columns. Definitely interchanging the rows and columns is nothing but a transpose of the matrix. Only interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column, third row interchanging third row. It is called a transpose of the matrix. Next is third question. If capital B is equal to 1 minus 1 5 6 root 3 5 6 2 3 minus 1, find B transpose. Don't confusion. What is the given condition? Let B is equal to minus 1 5 6 root 3 5 6 2 3 minus 1. They are asking to calculate B transpose. What is the order of the matrix here? 3 rows 3 columns. It is nothing but a square matrix given 3 rows 3 columns. To calculate B transpose is equal to interchanging rows and columns. We can take row wise, or else we can take column wise. I am taking row wise. That's why first row it is a minus 1 5 6. It is interchanging first column minus 1 5 6. First row interchanging first column. Next second row interchanging second column. Second row is the root 3 5 6. Second row interchanging second column. Third row interchanging third column. 2 3 minus 3 are solved once 3 by 3. See the question observe. First row interchanging first column. Second row interchanging second column. Third row interchanging third column. So you can take row wise or column wise. Both are getting same matrix, only we are interchanging the rows and columns. So first row interchanging first column, second row interchanging second column, third row interchanging second column. Suppose we are taking column as here. What is the first column? First column minus 1 root 3, right? Row wise minus 1 root 3 2. Second one is the second column is 5 5 3. You can write the second row. So 5 5 3. Second third column interchanging third row. So 6 6 minus 1 is the third column interchanging third row. You can take any wise. You can take row wise or column wise. Definitely that matrix master should be getting same thing only. Don't confuse that. You are take row wise or we are take only interchanging the rows and columns. It is nothing but a transpose of the matrix. Everyone understood? It is clear. Next we are going to 6 marks question problems. Very easy 6 marks question. Don't confuse. If A is equal to 2 3 2 2 3 2 not 2 3 2 1 3 2. Next one is minus 2 1 0. Minus 2 1 0 and B is equal to and b is equal to minus 1 0 2 minus 1 0 2 minus 2 2 3. Verify that. Verify that a plus b whole transpose is equal to a transpose plus b transpose. To verify that means check whether the given condition both conditions are equal or not. We have to verify. First, what is the given matrix? We can write solution. Let capital A matrix is equal to 1 3 2 minus 2 1 0. What is the transpose of the A matrix? Interchanging rows and columns. First row interchanging first column 1 3 2 is the first interchanging first column. Second row is the minus 2 1 interchanging second column minus 2 1 0. It is the second column. Only interchanging the rows and columns are 1 3 is the first row interchanging first column. Second row is the minus 2 1 0 interchanging the second column. Next one is the b value. B is equal to minus 1 0 2 minus 2 2 3. Should calculate transpose of the D matrix. Interchanging the rows and column. First interchanging first column. First row is the minus 1 0 2 and interchanging first column. Second row interchanging second column. Second row is the minus 2 2 3 interchanging second column minus 2 2 3. So what are the given matrix you are writing? After that we have to calculate the A transpose matrix and B transpose matrix. Observe here. First to calculate A plus B. First to calculate A plus B. After that, what are the getting matrix to calculate transpose of the A plus B? So first we have to calculate only A plus B. First to calculate A plus B. So sum of the two matrices. What is the given A matrix? 1 3 2 minus 2 1 0 plus B matrix is minus 1 0 2 minus 2 2 3. So now we are adding both the matrices, adding a corresponding image. First element plus first element. 1 plus of minus 1 3 plus 0 3 plus 0. Next one is 2 plus 2. Next second row first element plus first element. Minus 2 plus minus 2 1 plus 2 0 plus 3. 0 plus is A plus B matrix. A plus B is equal to plus into minus 1. Plus into minus is minus. 1 minus 1 value is 0. 1 minus value is 0. 3 plus 0 value is 3. 2 plus 2 value is 4. Minus 2 minus 2 value is minus 4. 1 plus 2 value is 3. 0 plus 3 value is 3. What they are asking? To calculate transpose of the A plus B. First we are calculating A plus B. After that to calculating A plus B whole transpose, that is LHS. What is LHS? A plus B whole transpose. So we are find that A plus B whole transpose. What is A plus B matrix? 0 3 4 and minus 4 3 3. Next to calculate transpose of the A plus B means first row interchanging first column. First row interchanging first column. Third row interchanging second row interchanging second column. This is the transpose of the A plus B whole transpose. Next, what is the RHS they are given? RHS. RHS they are given. This is LHS what? This is the RHS. RHS what is they given? A transpose plus B transpose. Substitute now A transpose. What is A transpose matrix values? 1 minus 2 3 1 2 0 2 0. Next, B matrix. What is the B matrix? B transpose matrix. Minus 1 minus 2 and 0 2 and 2 3. Now we are adding the both the elements. Now we are adding corresponding element. First element plus first element. First element plus first element. Second element plus second element. 1 plus of minus 1. Next second element plus second element. Minus 2 plus minus 2. Next second row first element plus first element. 3 plus 0 1 plus 2. Third row first element plus first element. 2 plus 2. Next to third row second element plus second element. 0 plus 3. Simplify this one. 1 plus into minus is minus. 1 minus 1 value is minus 2 value is minus 4, 3 plus 0 value is 3, 1 plus 2 value is 3, 2 plus 2 value is 4, 0 plus 3 value is 3. This matrix value is A transpose plus B transpose. Observe both one. LHS part value is 0 minus 4, 3, 3, 4, 3. RHS also A transpose plus B transpose value is 0 minus 4, 3, 3, 4, 3. Both the matrices are same. So the given matrices are satisfied, right? Finally conclusion. LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS? A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose B transpose. Both the matrices are equal. That's why given matrices satisfy the given matrices. First, listen first. Once again, what they are asking? They given two matrices. To verify that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. They given matrices to calculate transpose of the A plus B is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Both are equal matrices or not. Once we have to verify how to solve the question is what are the given two matrices after to calculate transpose of the A matrix, to calculate transpose of the B matrix. First to have to observe the LHS part. First to calculate A plus B. That's why first we are adding sum of the A matrix and B matrix. What are the matrices we are getting? Finally we have to calculate transpose of the A plus B matrix. That's why when you are getting A plus B matrix, after that to calculating transpose of the A plus B matrix. That is LHS part. Next, what is LHS part? To calculate A transpose plus B transpose. Sum of the A transpose plus B transpose we are adding. Finally we get the matrices 0 minus 4, 3, 3. Observe both the matrices LHS matrix and RHS matrix. Both the matrices values are same. Thus we are writing conclusion. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is nothing but A plus B whole transpose, and RHS part is A transpose plus B transpose. Very important part of this first question. Okay. You don't understand is clear. Next method. Very easy. Don't confuse. This is the adding of the two matrices. Next question is subtracting of the two matrices. Only we are adding, there subtracting only. Fifth question. A is equal to 2, 5, 0, minus 1, 2, 6. And B is equal to minus 2, 4, 6, minus 6, 5, 8. Verify that. A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Verify that A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. First to calculate A minus B, after that to calculate A minus B whole transpose. How to solve this question? See the solution. Let capital A is equal to 2, 5, 0, minus 1, 2, 6. Write the transpose of the A matrix is interchanging rows and columns. So first to interchanging first column, second to interchanging second column, minus 1, 2, 6. Next to B matrix is equal to minus 2, 4, 6, minus 6, 5, 8. To calculate transpose of the B matrix is interchanging the first row and first column. Interchanging first row can be replaced with the first column. Second row replaced with the second column. For the given question, first to calculate A minus B. After that to calculate transpose of the A minus B matrix. First to calculate A minus B. Substitute the A matrix and B matrix. Given A matrix is 2, 5, 0, minus 1, 2, 6. Next to minus B matrix, minus 2, 4, 6, minus 6, 5, 8. Now subtracting the both the matrices, subtracting the corresponding in first element minus first element. First row, first element minus first element. Second element minus second element. 5 minus 4. Third element minus 0 minus 6. Next we are going to second row. Second row first element minus first element. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 6. Second element minus second element. 3 minus 5. 6 minus 8. So A minus B is equal to minus of minus plus 2, 2 plus 2 value is 4, 5 minus 4 value is 1, 0 minus 6 value is minus 6, minus into minus plus, minus 1 plus 6 is plus 5, 2 minus 5 value is minus 3, 6 minus 8 value is minus 2. After that to calculate A minus B whole transpose. To calculate after that A minus B whole transpose. First row interchanging, first row is the 4, 1 minus first row interchanging, first column, second row interchanging, second column, second row here 5 minus 3 minus second row interchanging, second column. This is the LHS form. LHS is A minus B whole transpose is equal to 4, 5, 1 minus 3 minus 6 minus 6 is nothing but first row interchanging, first column, second row interchanging, second column. This is the right hand side. Next to calculate right hand side value. What is the RHS? The given RHS A transpose minus B transpose. Substitute the A transpose matrix value is 2 minus 1, 5 2 and 0 6. And minus substitute the transpose of the mean matrix is minus 2 minus 6 and 4 5 6 6. After that subtracting the corresponding element, first element minus first element, second element minus second element, second row first element minus first element, second element minus second element, third row first element minus first element, second element minus second element. So by this one A transpose minus B transpose is 2 minus of minus is plus 2, 2 plus 2 value is 4, minus into minus plus is minus 1 plus 6 value is plus 5, 5 minus 4 value is 1, 2 minus 5 value is minus 3, 0 minus 6 value is minus 6, 6 minus 8 value is minus 2. Observe the LHS and RHS. LHS value is 4y, 1 minus 3 minus 6 minus 2, and right hand side value also 4y, 1 minus 3 minus 6. Both the matrices value must should be same. Must bar that elements will be same. That's why right conclusion LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is nothing but A minus B over transpose is equal to RHS is nothing but A transpose minus B transpose. This is the conclusion. Don't confusion. What are the matrix writing as this? To calculate transpose of the matrix, to calculate transpose of the B matrix. So see the question. First to calculate A minus B. First to calculate A minus B. That's why we are calculating first to A minus B. After that, what is the LHS condition? A minus B whole transpose. That's why to calculate left hand side A minus B whole transpose. So whenever to calculate A minus B, after that we should find the A minus B whole transpose. Next, right hand side what is there? To calculate A transpose minus B transpose. That's why we are calculating A transpose minus B transpose. Subtracting the both the matrices, getting answer is 4 5 1 minus 3 minus 6 minus 2. Verified. LHS part and RHS both are equal or not, once verified. LHS part and RHS part both the matrices are same. So that's why I think conclusion left hand side is equal to RHS. Left hand side value is nothing but A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Okay, you understood how to find the transpose of the matrix, how to find the sum of the two matrices, how to find the subtraction of the two matrices. Very easy. Don't confusion. Okay, I think everyone understood the transpose of the matrix. So left of the questions we will discuss about tomorrow. Okay, thank you everyone.